Postcolonial Art, 1980 present, characteristics of the period. Postcolonial art emerged as a critical response to the legacies of colonialism and imperialism. It explores the impact of cultural domination, challenges Eurocentric perspectives, and addresses the complexities of identity, race, and diaspora. This movement questions power, representation, and cultural exchange, blending traditional techniques with modern media such as photography, installation, and video, giving a voice to previously marginalized communities. Artists in this movement use stories, mythologies, and symbols from their cultural heritage to redefine colonial narratives and celebrate the resilience of oppressed communities. Female artists. Kara Walker, known for silhouette installations like Gone, and Historical Romance, 1994, which explore the history of slavery and racism in America, highlighting stark contrasts between power and oppression. Sheri Neshat, through video installations such as Women of Allah, 1993 to 1997, she examines gender, religion, and cultural tensions within the Islamic world. Lubaina Himid, a pioneer of the British Black Arts movement, she paints scenes like Naming the Money, 2004, to spotlight the contributions of African diasporas to European history and culture. Zanil Muholi uses photography to document the LGBTQIA+ community in South Africa, exploring intersections of race, gender, and sexuality. Challenges for women in this period. Eurocentric dominance. Postcolonial art was long overlooked by Western art institutions, making it difficult for female artists to access major exhibitions. Intersectional discrimination. Women of color faced barriers not only as women, but also as individuals combating racial and cultural stereotypes. Cultural appropriation. Traditional symbols and techniques were often appropriated by Western artists without acknowledgement of their origins. Feminine qualities in their work. Empathy and storytelling. Himid and Muholi highlight the stories of forgotten and marginalized communities. Courage and justice. Walker and Neshat confront viewers with painful historical truths and present-day inequalities. Innovation and vision. These artists combine traditional art forms with contemporary technologies to redefine cultural narratives. Reflection on today. Postcolonial art underscores the importance of understanding colonial legacies to build inclusive societies. Female artists in this movement demonstrate how art can rewrite dominant narratives and create space for marginalized voices. Their work calls for a constant re-evaluation of power, ownership, and representation. In an increasingly globalized world, postcolonial art reminds us that cultural exchange must be mutual, founded on respect and equality. The fight for fair representation remains critical, particularly in digital spaces like the metaverse, where patterns of exclusion risk being repeated. End. Artivism. Feminine empowers women by reflecting on the past to shape the future. Explore our exhibition on the immersive platform Anasia, curated by Annalise Newey, and see how art inspires a stronger, more inclusive tomorrow. Follow us and join the movement.